All right, runDisney fans, every time you finish a race, this is what you can look forward to. You can stop and get your banana. You can pick up a Powerade. I like blue, but they do have other colors. There's also going to be a Dasani water. I finished that immediately because it was humid and terrible this morning. And then you get the snack box. Now, a lot has been made about the runDisney snack boxes over the year. We're gonna go ahead and pop this open. This was for the Pixar Cars 5K in April of 2023. Your mileage may vary. They do sometimes swap things out and you might have different items in here, but you are handed one of these awesome little branded boxes at the end of the race to walk out with. And it's something that might be worth saving for later when you need a snack, unless you need to go sit down and eat it right away, which there have been plenty of races where that's the case. All right, so let's see what's in this year's, oh, this is new. Okay, yes, only runners will understand how I just got excited about the animal crackers. We haven't seen these before, so this is brand new, a new little option that they have put in this particular box. I also see some sunflower kernels. They have had these in the past. They are actually really pretty delicious. So even if you are thinking you don't want them, give them a try. It's got a little salt on there. It's nice to get a little sodium back in your body. And, okay, I see you. So we have these olive oil and sea salt pretzels. What are these pretzels for? They're for the famous runDisney cheese dip. This is, yes, fake cheese. And always check your expiration date because there have been surprises in the past. It looks like I'm safe to eat this one. But this runDisney fake cheese, runners either love them or hate it. I am on team, it does what I needed to do in a pinch. So I absolutely will eat this at some point. And apparently I am dipping my pretzels in it. Now, they used to give us chips. They used to give us tortilla chips. We like the tortilla chips. We prefer the tortilla chips. Almost everybody will tell you, bring back the tortilla chips. However, there's also a period in time where they didn't have cheese dip, and that did not go over so well. So I'm just happy it's there. We'll figure out the method of getting it into the body when that time comes. And then this is very familiar, possibly to a lot of the distance runners. So honey stinger waffles. This is a salted caramel, which is a delicious flavor. And this is really great if you have one of those long runs coming up that you maybe forgot some fuel. You can throw this on your body and take it with you to that 10-miler or that half marathon. Or if you just need to refuel immediately, this is the item for you. So I'd reach for this second. And the reason why I say second is they're going to give you a little moist towelette. So let's go ahead and start with that. Wipe your fingers, wipe your hands, and then go ahead and dig in with the rest of it. And that is what's in the runner box this year. Don't forget your potassium. Don't forget your electrolytes. Happy running.